bakit daw po nakakaranas siya ng pangangati ng lalamunan pagka nakakain siya ng something sweet, let's say cakes,
Oh, that's true.
no? Mga ice
Ah,
cream, ayan. Oo.
that's good.
Mm-mm.
Well, well, what, allow me to explain it on different perspectives,
Apo,
no?
Dok. Mm-mm.
As you take a look at it,
Yes.
mucosal area kasi to.
Mm-mm.
So, one is, top of mind, it can be an allergenic reaction.
Okay.
Okay?
Oo.
Number two, yeah, of course, it's an allergenic reaction. Maaring may kasama doon sa nakinaan niya na sweet.
Mm-mm.
Siya ay may allergies doon. Pangalawa, because of the temperature and the sweetness on the mucosal surface, maaari rin kasi nag-attract siya ng tinatawag natin microorganisms. It can be virus or bacteria.
Mm-mm.
So, kapag ganun ang nangyayari, kapartner,
Mm-mm.
itchy muna siya, and
Yes,
then
Dok.
eventually, the bacterial colony or the viral colony settles down.
Mm-mm.
Now, it can cause inflammation now of the tonsils.
Ayun,
Yeah,
ha?
because if you recall, I remember sharing this to you in our episodes or to those who are watching in one of my talks or lectures. Sabi ko, si Claude Bernard, isang biochemist na friend, sabi niya, you know, the germ is nothing, but the terrain is everything.
Oo.
So apparently, if the area or the mucosal area, which is the throat or the tonsils, is na patungan o
Mm-mm.
na-expose sa isang sweet environment,
Gusto
sugary
nila,
or
no?
cold,
Yan ang gusto nila.
na natili
Oo.
doon,
Mm-mm.
yes, yan ang gusto ng germ. Yan ang gusto ng microorganism.
Oo, oo, oo. Yes.
So there begins the onset now of what could be later on a full-blown infection.
Tama. Okay, ayan, ha? Oo. So, mamaya tatanong natin kung paano may iwasan since kung ayaw mo naman talagang iwasan ng ice cream kasi masarap, di ba? No? Pero ngayon ko nang tanong kay
tama
Doc,
naman yung
ha?
partner.
Anong
Hindi
gagawin
naman tayo.
ko? Pagka kumain ako sa isang party, di ba, no? At merong ice cream. Naku, gustong-gusto ko yan, lalong-lalo na kung pistachio ang flavor.
Ay,
Ha?
sa partner,
Anong gagawin
pistachio,
natin?
gusto ko rin yan.
Oo, di ba?
Avocado, sinong hindi dyan? Macadamia, sinong hindi dyan? Di ba,
Yun,
avocado?
oo. So, anong gagawin natin, ha? Since kakain na tayo ng ice cream. Or anything which is
Magsimula
sweet.
muna tayo
Oo.
sa ating tinatawag na due diligence.
Okay.
Or due diligence, when we're eating sweets,
Oo.
no, whether it's ice cream, cakes, pastries, or even candies and chocolates, alright, what we do after is ugalian naman natin mag-gargle ng warm water with salt.
Okay.
Alright.
Gargle kagad.
For some,
Mm-mm.
pwede naman sila mag-gargle ng tawag dito, iodine oral hygiene para sa throat.
Yes.
O pwede rin after that, pwede na sila mag-toothbrush. It's very important because the reason that you have to understand is there are micro ecosystems inside us that the surface, in terms of its pH, in terms of whatever is left there,
Yes.
may attract good or bad
Mm-mm.
microorganisms.
Oo.
Diba? So, yun lang. I'm not saying stop the ice cream. No, you can go ahead. Moderation lang tayo.
Tama.
Pero after that, you clear the terrain.
Yun.
Gargle kayo.
Oo. So,
Or
gargle
mag-drink
tayo.
kayo ng hot water.
Yan, oo, hot water. Tapos, sprinkle a little of a salt,
Yes.
di ba, no? Ayan.
Pwede.
Maganda na
Pwede.
yun. Okay. Kanina nabanggit mo ang tungkol sa tonsillitis. Ayan. May question dito. Pangangati ng lalamunan. Posibleng tonsillitis na. Ha? Yan daw ay alamin
That's a good
natin.
question.
Sige. Yes, Doc.
That's a good question.
Opo.
Kasi, yes, it can lead to,
Mhm.
but not all itchy throats are necessarily tonsillitis.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-mm.
Kasi tonsillitis can be the inflammation of the tonsils. Then eventually your voice can change, no?
Opo, opo.
Then when you swallow, ang hirap kasi it's painful.
Masakit. Oo.
Alright? Pero kasi pwede rin naman kasi siyang allergies,
Mm-mm.
cold, post-nasal drip, pero wala namang tonsillitis. You get what I'm trying to say? When
Yes,
you're supposed to excrete now mucus
Mm-mm.
through your nose,
Opo.
di ba? sometimes people experience, instead of excreting it forward, may lalabas dito,
Oo.
minsan, nagpo-fall siya pabalik doon sa throat. So, that can cause further itchiness or irritation, but that's colds. These are common colds.
Oo. Yes, Doc.
These are common colds. So, nag-iiba yung boses ng konti, but talagang total change ng voice yan, tonsillitis yan.
Oo. Ayun.
O, di ba? Tapos
Oo.
tonsillitis, usually talagang may kasamang fever yan. Eh, ang mga common colds or postnasal drip, wala naman usually yan fever na kasama.
Oo.
Oo.
Eh, pero yung mga bagets, laging nagkakaroon ng ganyan, no? Tonsillitis. Magugulat ka,
Yes.
nilalagnat. Yung pala, titignan
Yes.
ng doktor, gagano na yan dito. Ay, tapos sisilipin.
Minsan, may namamaga. Yes.
Maga.
Makikita natin dyan.
Yun.
Yes. Kasi kasama po yan sa palpation is to check eh. Two things. Hawakan, namamaga ba siya? So, inflamed. We have to address.
Oo.
Kasi pag inflammation, meron tayong alarma dyan. Number 2, pag hinawakan yung area, tapos lumunok ka, masakit, most likely, tonsillitis.
At ano ba
Oo.
yun, Doc, yung makikita mo dun sa gitna? Kanina meron tayong picture. Partner Joyce, pakibalik mo nga yun. Diba? Wag na natin pansinin yung mga tonsil stones. Pero yung mga nakalawit yan, Doc, yung nakalawit dun sa gitna.
Yeah.
Diba? Pagka may tonsillitis ka, pulang-pula siya, no? Diba, no, Doc?
Well, kasi yung tonsillitis po nasa gilid. Yung tonsils nasa gilid.
Okay.
Iba naman po yung nandito.
Pero yung nasa
yung
gitna.
Yung nakalawit, hindi yan. Tonsil. Ito, dito sa gilid yun.
Yun yun.
Oo.
Pero
Yun.
pag nakita mo,
So,
Doc, pulang-pula din siya.
Yes, of course.
Oo.
Of course. Primarily because in cases of tonsillitis that also have folds,
Yes.
mayroon rin minsan postnasal drip, doon tumutulo ngayon yung mucus.
Oo.
Nagkakaroon rin po kasi dyan yung nagkakaroon rin po dyan ng colony.
Oo.
Minsan makikita nyo namumula siya. So yung buong system na yan sa gilid, at doon pa sa back ng throat, namumula talaga.
Ayun.
Is because redness is an indication of an inflammation. Kasi naka-alert siya because there's already in that area na kailangan dinalabanan na siyang body. That's why you have to help the body.
Yes.
Now the question is, how do you help the body when you reach that point?
Papaano nga ba, Doc?
Paano nga ba?
Yan, oo.
So, well, apparently, the basic thing, gargling,
Garlic.
warm water with
Yes.
salt.
Oo.
That will really help. Alright? Number 2, syempre, if meron ng ganyan, you shouldn't be taking sweets anymore.
Ay,
No, you
talaga?
shouldn't.
Paano,
You
Doc?
shouldn't.
Ayan, meron tayong isang picture. Yung sabi, honey daw, makakatulong. Ayan, Doc. Di ba matamis din ang honey?
Yeah. Well, apparently, the sweets that I was talking about are usually the ice cream, the cakes, and pastries, which is usually made up of a sugar called sucrose.
Okay.
Alright?
Oo.
The sugar of honey, real honey,
Yes,
para
yung
lang for
puro.
the benefit
Yung purong
of-
honey.
Alam niyo ba yung honey, matamis siya, pero hindi yan nilalanggam.
Oo.
Yung nilalanggam, yung may sucrose.
Oh.
So, yung properties kasi ng totoong honey, yung honey natin sa Palawan, yung honey natin na mula sa Manuka tree sa New Zealand, may properties sila na anti-inflammatory na kahit matamis. Pero it does not carry sucrose.
Ay, ganun pala
So,
yun.
eventually,
So-
it's soothing. Yeah.
So, ibig sabihin, one of the way to check kung puro yung honey is ilagay mo sa isang tabi. Pag nilanggam siya, hindi siya totoong honey.
Yes. Well, apparently,
Okay.
that's a good way to check.
Oo. Yung
Yes.
isa pa, yung sabi ng isang dealer ng honey, sabi nila, Doc, pagka daw yung honey, inano mo siya sa apoy, pag namatay daw yung apoy, ibig sabihin may water siyang kasama, hindi siya puro. No? Pero pagka nag-apoy
That's
siya,
interesting.
pag nag-apoy siya,
That's interesting.
honey siya. Ayan. Ayun
That's
So,
nice.
meron akong tip,
Aparte.
meron ding tip si Doc
That's
pa.
good.
Okay. So, pasado ang honey.
natin dyan.
Mm.
Pasado po yan. Pero ang honey kasi, symbiotic at complementary pag sinama mo siya sa salabat.
Okay. So, sa
So,
labat.
kung inom ka ng
Oo.
salabat,
Mm-mm.
yes, lagyan nyo ng honey.
Ang sarap nun.
That helps.
Oo, ang sarap
Anti-inflammatory
nun.
yan.
Ayan.
Di ba, kapartner,
Oo.
naalala mo yung 2020, nagpadala ng tulong sa atin ang ibang bansa.
Yes.
At ang pinadala nila, alam mo na yung dilaw na sachet.
Yan, oo,
Ang
yung
isa
tola.
sa mga ingredients
diba?
nila.
Oo,
Yung isang
ginger.
ingredients nila, yan.
Mm-mm.
Oo, ginger tsaka honey.
Honey. Oo. Yan,
Oo,
mga
anti-inflammatory
ka-partners.
sila.
If you don't have time, you can buy that, no? Over the counter naman yan.
O,
Or-
OTC, it's over the
Oo,
counter.
pwede rin. Kayo na po magluto ng sarili nyong, medyo mahal nga lang ang luya ngayon, Dok, ha? Alam mo, yung bumili ko ng
Yeah.
luya, ganun kalaki, kulang na 100 ang bili ko, ganyang kalaki.
Wow.
Ang taba kasi I usually have ginger sa bahay, no? It's either nagsasalabat ako or nagpapaksiw ako.
Yes.
Ayun.
Actually, ka-partner, since bring up mo na yan,
Oo.
kung ayaw naman nila kasi ng drink, you can now go to culinary med. You can now go to your dishes, your food.
Yes.
So you use ginger for your soup,
Opo.
or you can use garlic, sopa de ajo,
Oo.
no? Garlic soup, onion soup,
Yes.
chicken broth, pero may kasamang garlic, onion,
Oo.
or ginger. That will help you.
Samahan. Oo nga naman.
Oh,
Tsaka maganda
nakakatulong po
pagka
yan.
mainit, masarap yung mainit yung
Yes.
iniinom mo. Pag
Yes, of
Makati ang
course.
lalamunan. Si Yani, may question. Bawal po ba mag-inom ng malamig na tubig pag Makati ang lalamunan, Doc Pao? Ayan. Question,
Well,
Yani.
That's a very good question. In my suggestion to be prudent and diligent, kung alam niyo na kasi nagsa-start na yung itchiness,
Mm-mm.
bumalik na po tayo sa temperature na room temperature or lukewarm. Just to be sure.
Mm-mm.
Because we don't know. Is it cold, common cold? Is it flu?
Yeah.
Is it going to be later on a strep throat? Is it going to be tonsillitis?
Yes.
We don't know if it's our SARS-CoV-2 virus, pero ang pinakamaganda na preventive dyan, umpisahan nyo na po na room temperature or warm water or hot water, it takes
Hot
sips
water.
already.
Yes.
Para,
oo.
para ma-displace kung ano yung bumubuo doon.
Mm-mm.
Oo.
Kasi mas mabilis matunaw ang anumang bagay, even the fats, no? Yung kinain mo,
You are correct.
diba?
You're correct.
Oo, ha? Sabi nga nakakalinis daw 'yan ng bituka. Ha? Pag dumaan sa bituka init, 'di ba, no? Pero wag naman sobrang init, yun just right na may niyo to na
You sip on that. And as a matter of fact, ka-partner, this is a fairly good time naman that you go into your teas.
Yeah,
So there's
oo.
medicine value or therapeutic value in teas.
Yes.
You have
oo,
your
mga
ginger
tsaa.
tea, you have your peppermint tea,
Yan.
nakakatulong
Mga
po yan.
chamomile
Oo.
tea, mga jasmine
Chamomile
tea.
tea,
oo.
green teas, those things can help you. Oo.
Yes, oo. Masarap pa, no? Namnamin nyo yung sarap ng tsaa, no? Ha, kunyari habang
Yes.
nagre-relax kayo, 'di ba, no? Bago kayo
Yes,
matulog, 'di ba? You got you have your shower, nag-shower ka na, tapos ka ng music, tapos nagtsatsaa ka. O, di ba? May tulog
Yes,
ka
of
na.
course.
Ayun.
Nakaka-relax yun.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, Doc, hindi kailangan agad-agad ay nagtitake ng mga antibiotic. Question yan ni... Okay,
That's a very
Cathy.
good question.
Ayun, ha?
Because antibiotic will not work in a viral infection.
Opo.
So it has to be reviewed, you know. You can consult your doctor, tests can be made. You know, tests can be made by virtue of physical test, no, workup, and then x-rays, and then blood test pwede rin. Para malaman natin, ano ba? Bacterial infection ba to? Common cold lang? Flu ba to? Symptoms can also help it. It's
Yeah.
very important to know. Ano bang meron? May sama bang lagnat? May, ano ba? May plema? Anong kulay ng plema? Mga ganun. Those things can actually help.
Oo.
Pero, syempre, importante dyan, na pag naramdaman mo na, because time is precious di ba? So, your first instance, or first move is very important to prevent what could be a full-blown infection.
Yes.
Mahirap yun.
Oo. Pero maswerte nga tayo, di ba, no, Doc? Yung at the start, mararamdaman mo na kagad, manangangati na. So, posibleng andito na, meron ng mga kung ano mang gumagalaw-galaw dyan o nagpo-propagate dyan. So, gawa
yes.
na natin ng paraan.
Actually, that's very good ka-partner. Yung sinasabi nyo kasi is because we have learned from the past
Yeah.
so that it does not happen right now or in the future.
Yes. Mm-mm.
We learned from 2020 onwards that if there's an itch, agapan yun eh.
Correct.
Oh, di ba? So, ang pag-agap naman, being responsible, is you do your gardening, you hydrate, you drink your vitamin C. Minsan, zinc ascorbate also helps. Yan, selenium.
Oo.
And kumain kayo, ha? Kumain kayo. Kasi one of the best ways to really beat a cold or beat an infection is to eat right,
Yan.
sleep
Oo.
right,
Yun.
and hydrate.
Yes,
Yan.
oo. Uy, ngayon mga ka-partners, maswerte tayo. Marami ng vitamin C na may kasama ng zinc. 'Di ba, no?
The zinc na,
Oo,
ka-partner.
in-incorporate na. Ha?
Medyo lumaganap yan during 2020 and
Yes.
onwards.
Yes.
And napakaganda yan kasi ang properties ng zinc
Oo.
na sinama mo pa sa vitamin C ay may properties na nakakatulong sa paglaban ng microbes o bacteria.
Oo.
That's
Ayun.
good.